Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher CCCU Assembly. And I am talking to all the people of Grange EYFS, Nursery and Reception. We know what we are all about. We use kind words, we have good listening, and we use kind hands. And if I say it in the right order, because I didn't say it in the right order over there, we do good listening, so we can learn, so we can grow, so we can help, so we can be kind. We do good listening. That's where it all starts. We use kind words. And then we use kind hands for great actions. So we are going to help each other to learn better so that we all, big word coming up, we all succeed. Succeed means really to make it, to do well. We succeed. So let's help each other to learn better so we all succeed. So we are going to train the CC way. And you know what I like saying with CC, especially with EYFS? I put a C and I put a backwards C and I put them together and then it's a heart and then I go CC, vamos, let's go. Right, so here's what we are going to learn and really train, because training means we teach it so well, we put it inside ourselves. So when the situation comes, we know what to do. So what should we do when our teachers are teaching us? Think about that. What should we do when our teachers are teaching us? What should we do when someone falls over right in front of us? We see somebody fall over. What should we do when we bump into somebody by accident? What should we do when we see that someone is looking so sad? What should we do when we see someone is very upset? You can see from their face or their actions how they are. They're very upset. Well, let's train the CC way. We're going to test ourselves. And this maybe I can even come to your classrooms and do a bit of a test with you, because you are so good at learning. Children of Grange EYFS, Children of Grange Sojourner Truth, Children of Grange Bob Marley, Children of Grange Marcus Rashford class, Children of Grange Olado Quino class. So what should we do when our teachers are teaching us? What should you do when your teachers are teaching you? You do good listening. Do we know the answer? I think we do. When our teachers are teaching us, what should we do? We do good listening. Now, what should we do when we see someone fall over from right in front of us? Well, we help them up with our kind hands. We can also use our kind words to check, are you okay? But most importantly, we need to help them with our kind hands. What should we do when we bump into somebody by accident? It's not on purpose, we just bumped into somebody, but what should we do? We use our kind words to say, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. What should we do if we see somebody looking so sad? We use our kind words to ask, are you okay? And here's the secret. Then we do good listening, to really listen to their answer. There's no point saying, are you okay? And then I'm not really listening. Because if somebody's really sad, maybe they need to talk. So I use my kind words to say, are you okay? And then I do good listening. What should I do if I see someone is really upset? They're so upset. And maybe they're angry, maybe they're crying. What should I do? Well, I can use kind words to say, take a deep breath with me. Breathe out slowly. That's the secret. I only learned that very recently. Take a deep breath is good, but it's the other part. It's the part where you breathe out slowly. Oh, that is so good. It just calms you down. I did it today. So you breathe in, but then feels so good. You can just feel yourself calm. So you use your kind words to say to them, take a deep breath with me. Breathe out slowly. You can even do it with them. It really helps. And then you can use your kind words to say, tell me what happened. And I'll do good listening. And then you can do good listening. So that's a really good one. So children, this is CC training, because we are people of Grange. You are children of Grange. We are people of Grange. All of us, adults of Grange, children of Grange, we are people of Grange. And we do CC training. And this is really, really good. So maybe I can even come to your class and ask you the questions and see if you've done good CC training. Proud of you. Who were our gold stars of the week? We had Charlie, brilliant. Charlie, so happy to see you doing so brilliantly. Amaya, fantastic. That's excellent. Yajurov, doing so well. And Niam, fantastic. And Jinan, brilliant. Oh, gold star, so proud of you. Who are our class champions? Neza in Bob Marley. And Charlie and Bob Marley, and Yusra and Bob Marley, and Sophia Y and Sojourner Truth, and Emmanuel and Sojourner Truth. Well done, everybody. So, remember, everybody, we are powerful, we are kind, we are loved, we are Grange. That makes us very special that we're all people of Grange. And we're going to make it. Remember, we had the reindeer came at the end of last term. Well, at the end of this term, can you see, what do you see over here? What is this? This is a little chick. And when a chicken baby is called a chick. And this is a little chick. And at the end of this term, we have ordered some chicks. Actually, they won't come as chicks. They'll come in an egg, and the egg will hatch, and the chicks will come out. And the class with the most class charts points, the classiest class of the term, that you'll get to keep, because it's called a hatchery. So you'll get to keep the hatchery. Everybody will be able to come and visit it, but you'll get to actually have it in your classroom, so you can watch the eggs hatch and the chicks come out, even hold the chicks. Looking so forward to that. Isn't that amazing? So let's give ourselves a CC salute. We put our hand on our heart for confidence. Believe in yourself. I believe in myself. Say with me. Put your hand on your heart. Confidence. I believe in me. And look at our beautiful world. Circle your hand out. Can you see my hand circling out? Say, our beautiful world. Consideration. I want to really be considerate. I want to be kind, and I want to make the world a better place through my great actions. Confidence and consideration, there's a CC salute. We're going to learn together. We're going to respect each other. We're going to achieve our potential. We are going to be great. We are going to be Grange.